How to retouch skin in Photoshop. Now this is the photo and I want the skin to be retouched. So I'll do two steps. First of all, I'll go to this selection tool and increase the size a little bit. And now I'll select the face area here. Now what I'll do is I'll go to this selective color option and open this reds, because the skin color is basically combination of mainly red, so I'll basically decrease that. You can see that the complexion is now fair as compared to the previous one. So this is the way to brighten the complexion. Another way that I can do is, this before and this is after, that if I want to smoothen the skin, what I'll do is I'll go to this option here, this mixture brush tool. Now set the wet to 20, low 25, mix 20 and flow 100. You can copy this setting as it is. Now what I'll do is I'll zoom in and from here I'll open clean brush. Now what I'll do is increase the size and I can basically smoothen the skin here. Again, if I want to smooth that part also. So this is how to retouch skin in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.